Today, I'm going to try the new Coke Zero. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I actually like the Coke Zero Sugar. So, Diet Coke always tasted a little bad to me. I never really liked it, but the regular Coke is just too sugary. It kind of sticks to your teeth and all that. But I thought Coke actually had a hit here with the Zero Sugar. It kind of tasted a little bit more like real Coke, not so much like the Diet Coke. But they have promised that it is now more delicious than ever. So I thought you would be interested in seeing if this really does taste better than the old Coke Zero, which I actually liked for the most part. Now, this comes in this new red can here, so it has a little bit of a different look. It's a sorrel, if it were a horse, or a ginger if it were a person. But what I needed to do was taste it against the old Coke Zero, which is actually a little harder to find these days. I know they're kind of rolling this out to replace this, and so I got it here in the bottle. So I thought I would just taste these back to back. So the first thing I'm going to do is just open these up. Like I said, the regular Coke Zero was pretty good, and you could feel a little bit better about not drinking real sugar. I don't know if it's aspartame or some sort of crystal meth, but tasted all right. Yeah, that's the Coke Zero I remember. Maybe just a little lighter, a little more watery than regular Coke. Yeah, that's the Coke Zero I remember. Pretty sweet. To me, not as sweet as regular Coke, but pretty sweet. But a pretty good facsimile for not having any sugar in it. Now, let's try it. For all you aficionados, you'll realize I'm not cleansing the palate, so probably not the purest of tests. But that's how we do it at the Panda Research Institute. Yeah, I would say the taste difference is a bit subtle, but I would say maybe this is even a little sweeter. So maybe that's kind of the delta between regular Coke and Coke Zero, is that there was like this sweetness quotient that they weren't meeting with whatever sweetener they were using. And maybe they've upped it, or maybe added a different sweetener or switched to a different sweetener, but this tastes maybe just a little bit sweeter. Maybe just a touch smoother as well. And maybe even a little bit spicier. Obviously, they couldn't drift too far because they were both pretty popular and successful. I would tell you that back to back, I can maybe detect a difference. But if you were to serve both of these to me in a glass at different times throughout the day, I probably wouldn't be able to tell the difference. But back to back, I think I do prefer this a little bit over this. But like I said, I have drunk this for a long time here. So yeah, this is a pretty decent upgrade. However, I will say my favorite pop drink right now is the Pepsi No Sugar Mango. That is delicious. So if you have a chance to try that, I would definitely try that. I would take that over either of these any day. But pretty good. Coke Zero Sugar, slight improvement over the old one, I think. Hey, if you want to pick it up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever, thanks to Peter Von Panda.